leave in the morning with everything you own. A little black case, alone on the platform, the wind and the rain on a sad, lonely face. Mother will never understand why you had to leave, but the answers you seek will never be found at home. The love that you need will never be found at home. Run away, turn away, run away, turn away, run away. Run away, turn away, turn away, turn away, run away. Pushed around and kicked around, always a lonely boy. You were the one they talk about round town and put you down. As hard as they try, they told you to make you cry, but you never cried to them, just to your soul. No, you never cried to them, just to your soul. Run away, turn away, run away, turn away, run away. Run away, turn away, run away, turn away, run away. Run away, turn away, run away, turn away, run away. Run away, turn away, run away, turn away, run away. Cry, cry, boy, cry, cry, cry. 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 Leave on the morning with everything you own in a little black case, alone on the platform, the wind and the rain on a sad, lonely face. Run away, run away, turn away, run away. Run away, turn away, run away, turn away, run away. Run away, turn away, run away, turn away, run away. Run away, turn away, run away, turn away, run away. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I'll Soul Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson for you from a song called Smalltown Boy by Bronski Beat. Okay, so standard tuning with the capo on the first fret puts us into the same key as Bronski Beat. Okay, so fairly simple record chord wise. Okay, starts off with a little. Obviously this song is mainly played on synthesizers. I don't even know if there's actually a guitar in it, but this is my take on it anyway, so a single acoustic. So starting off with a B minor chord, okay, and what I'm doing is, so I'm hitting the second on the fifth, the root note of the chord, doing that sort of thing. So it's 5, 2, 3, 4, so 2, 3, 4, 3. That's what I'm doing on that one. Then you go to an A, and same sort of thing. This time you play the A open, 5th string open, and to the 2nd string again. So it's the same sort of thing. Same strings. 5, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay, so now you've got those two together. So it's okay. Then an E minor, and this time you hit the bottom E string open, and you do the same sort of thing but on the top 3 strings. So top string, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. Alright, so okay. So now you've got this. And then finally a D chord starting on the 4th, but you're only using the 4th string for this bit, the 2nd string and the 3rd string. So 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. 4, 3. 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3. Right? Okay? Start slowly. Put those 4 together and you've got this. Okay, and you do that, well I did it twice for an intro, do that lot twice, and then you're into the verse, okay, and the verse is completely down to you. I was doing palm muting for most of it. It's a mixture of down strokes and muting the string slightly with the back edge of your palm there. So it's just resting the edge of your hand there very lightly towards the bridge on the strings and downstroking quite quickly. That sort of thing. Or you can just strum it, it's up to you, okay? So B minor, the same, and it's the same chords for the verse as for the intro, okay? So it's so I have to come out to the last, let's do the intro, okay, so slowly. You leave in the morning, same chords, A, B minor, A, E minor, to A. So you do 2 lines of the verse and then you do 1 line of the intro again. Then you go back to the same chords again, but strumming or muted, whichever you want. Mother will never understand why you had to leave, but the answers you seek will never be found at home. The love that you need will never be found at home. And then we go into the chorus, and it's the same chords again: B minor, A, E minor, D. Okay, run away, run away, run away, turn away, run away. So I'm unmuting this one. I'm just playing it without the mute this time. Run away, run away, run away, run away, and again. Run away, turn away, run away, turn away, run away. And we go back to the palm muting. Pushed around, same chords again. Pushed around and kicked around. Always a lonely boy. You were the one that they talk about around town. Has put you down. As hard as they would try, they'd hurt to make you cry. Never cry to them, just to your soul. Same chords. You never try to them, just to your soul. Chorus again, 4 times this time. Run away, run away, run away, run away, run away. Run away, turn away, run away, turn away, run away. 3, here comes. Run away, run away, run away. One more time. Run away, turn away, run away, turn away, run away. Right. Now this is my interpretation of the middle section of the song. It goes B minor, cry, cry, boy, cry, boy, cry. Slightly different. This is the only time that's anything different in the song, really. It goes B minor, D, E minor, G. However, you can normal G or a bar chord G, 3rd fret, and it does that twice. B minor, D, E minor, G, and again B minor, D, E minor, G, and it goes back to the normal chord sequence for the cry cry. But again, this is B minor, A, E minor, D, does that twice, and then it goes into the intro again. 2 lots of intro. Okay, so coming into this cry cry bit, coming out of the last runaway. Run away, run away, run away, run away, run away. Right, here we go. Cry, cry, boy, cry, cry, cry. Cry, cry, boy, cry, cry, cry. Right, back to normal chords. Cry, cry, boy, cry, cry, cry. Cry, cry, boy, cry, cry. Right, intro, twice. Intro, first verse again. Leave in the morning and everything you own. A little black case, just the same as the first verse. Alone on the platform, the wind and the rain on a sad and lonely face. Intro. Twice. Chorus. It does that about 4 times, however many times you want to do it, okay? And then it does another couple of intros, I suggest, and then finish. On a B minor. Okay, so that's my take on that for you. Nice and simple. It's basically all the chords are the same all the way through, apart from that middle section of the cry boy cry boy cry, where the first part of it is B minor to D to E minor to G twice, and then it goes back to the normal chord sequence. Okay, so there you go, boys and girls. Hope that makes sense to you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.